We'll mount up the HEXA bar and chain here and see if we can't do a little bit of test cuts. 36 RH. It might be interesting to see if we can slow this chain down in motion a little bit, get some pictures of how it cuts. Now, this is the STIHL 36 RH. This is the original that I had. Sharpened it back until my file basically wore out. It's a little bit back past, probably 30% of the tooth is left. And so it's should cut pretty good. We'll take a look and see how it goes. I hope you see some of the advantages, smooth cutting, fast cutting of the STIHL HEXA chain. I wanted to show you a couple things there, like a plunge cut or bore cut into the log end, just to show the smoothness. But this chain is a professional chain. It's designed for professional use. There's not really a lot of reasons to be boring into an end of a log like that. It is very hazardous. But as you can see, if you understand reactive forces, it is somewhat controllable. And that chain still cuts very, very fast, cross grain, in grain, however you want to cut it. Very smooth. It cuts a very narrow kerf. A round ground chain has to cut a wider kerf to be able to clear the chip. This HEXA chain is much like full chisel square ground. It's very, very thin kerf that it cuts, and a very, very smooth surface on both sides of that kerf. So I hope you picked up something. Please join us on Thursday nights. We get together about 8 p.m. for Thursday night saws, questions and answers, talk about things of chainsaws. So until then, I hope to see you along the ForestApps Road, and good sawing to you.